Autumn here. I've been working on a couple big DIY projects, some of those being in my new YouTube studio, so I felt that it was time to give you a little tour. If DIYing is your thing, you should consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you know when I post more videos. Fun putting my new YouTube studio together and doing all the DIYs for them. From the chairs to the lights and to our brand new table. I love that my new space has a lot more room for different angles and a dedicated space for taking pictures for my thumbnails. Make sure to hit that like button and let me know if you want to see more content like this. Also, if you click right here, you'll see our latest DIY project. Thanks for watching. Bye!